Hi, my name is Zon Hong, and today we're talking about why are there so many YouTube videos made about Tesla right now. And I thought I had some particular insight about this because I actually just made a video about Tesla, and it's something that I've been watching a lot of content about. And that's honestly what inspired me to make my previous video. There are a handful of reasons why I think Tesla videos have actually just overtaken YouTube recently, and I'll list them right here in case you wanted to skip that and, I don't know, not watch this video. But I actually find a lot of these topics interesting, and I wanted to go into more depth about each one of them. I want to stress, this is in no way making fun of or diminishing the value that these videos bring or anything like that. I love these videos. I watch these videos all the time. I just thought that it was really interesting that so many different channels that traditionally covered other things all started converging on Tesla, and there's just that massive influx that I talked about. Why was that happening, and what aligned to make people actually want to go in that direction and produce Tesla content? Tesla makes it easy to make videos about Tesla. If I wanted to go because I had heard a rumor or just have a concept that I want to explain, I could just go online, look up press kit Tesla, and scroll down, find the actual file directory, and then here we have this pre-indexed list of Tesla content that is sorted for us and produced with professional quality. While Tesla doesn't spend much money on marketing or advertising, they spend a lot of money creating content for the promotional videos that they post online. Their cars are beautiful. The video shots about them are dynamic because they're driving, and they just look good. The production team did a great job making these videos, and it's all sorted. So if I want to make a video where I talk about the Model Y, I can just overlay Model Y content, and then if I wanted to make a video about the Model 3, I just go into the Model 3 folder, drag in some Model 3 content, and do a voiceover, and it looks great. I mean, if you bring this into a video editing software and just say something about the car while the car's pan shots are going, it's actually really compelling without putting too much effort in on getting it, because one half of the job is already done for you by a professional team, and it's fantastic. It looks really good. And I'll say something completely random and not true. The Tesla Model 3 recently just passed 4 million units sold, and this is incredible in that the Tesla Model 3, each time you purchase one, the stock price goes up $100. So the best investing strategy here is if you invest $100 million into Tesla stock and then buy a Tesla every day, you will get infinite gains on your initial investment. And this matters. Well, obviously what I said was just completely stupid. You get the point. It's compelling, it looks good, and it's just a great way to deliver information, and Tesla did this so they wouldn't have to focus on creating advertisements. People do it for them. They already know that they have this almost cultish following, and people are really excited about their product. It is a perfect combination of assets, information, and just the fan base where this technique works. Talking about Tesla is also a convergence of a lot of different subjects. So you have people talking about technology, you have people talking about cars, and then you also have people who like to talk about investing and finance. All of these different subjects that have high traffic, high groups on YouTube where people talk about this stuff are really relevant with Tesla. I noticed this because I follow a lot of technology YouTubers other than myself, and I also follow some finance and investing stuff as well. And I noticed that when you took someone like Graham Stephan, who made a video about Tesla from the financial aspect, and just merged that sort of idea where you're talking about something technology, you have the investment background, financial background. People went crazy over that. This video did so well that he made a video explaining why that video did well, and then he kept making videos about the Tesla, and that the Tesla paid for itself through his videos. He noted that it's kind of hard to exactly calculate how much that video net him because of just the influx of subscribers and overall views on the other videos of his channel, but that one video about Tesla alone went viral and probably made him hundreds of thousands of dollars, and that's kind of being conservative. So this combination of subjects leads into my next point, which is advertising and the algorithm. I would venture to say that someone who is, interested in technology, also interested in cars and, investing, and spends a lot of time looking at that sort of content on YouTube, this person probably has a little more disposable income than the average person, or their aspirations are clearly to get to the point where they can afford technology. A lot of these are product-driven videos, and at one point or another, you're probably looking to purchase what you're watching. The demographic of people who are really interested in technology, really interested in money, and probably have money to spend, is a fantastic demographic to advertise to. Financial and technology videos are two of the highest grossing categories because of the demographic. Advertisers are so much more likely to get conversions and sales if you're advertising to people who are both interested and also more likely to just buy your stuff. And because YouTube is a platform that works off of the algorithm and that algorithm factors in watch time, but also advertising, you have this perfect storm of people making content that fits a bunch of different categories: technology, finance, cars, with a demographic that is also very likely to be advertised to, where the cost to advertise to these people is higher. YouTube in turn is going to pump up the visibility through the algorithm to push Tesla content. And when content creators on YouTube notice that there's this algorithmic push, they're going to hop on. And in turn, that's going to push the algorithm even higher. There are going to be more videos about Tesla, more people are going to hop on, and it's just this loop. There's this cycle, and it just makes it a great place to make videos about Tesla. I would also argue here that I'm personally obsessed with Tesla. I love Tesla. Tesla's gonna be my next car, and I could watch Tesla videos all day. It's just something that I do. I'll have a video about the Tesla earning call, or a prototype video, or a rumor video just playing on the background wherever I'm going, whatever I'm doing. It's just something that I do, and I think there's such a high demand or desire for this content, and the algorithm is pushing it very heavily, and it's really easy to advertise to, and that's just more Tesla content. A major advantage that Tesla has is that they just release stuff when it's done. If they create a better technology for their battery, they just put it in the manufacturing. They don't wait like a traditional auto manufacturer. They also have the luxury of over-the-air software updates where they can just push anything. So, if you think of the high-speed nature of a software company, this auto manufacturer Tesla is able to just take advantage of all those high-speed gains. And unlike traditional car companies, or even some technology companies, they are just constantly producing new content around their product, which then cycles that media gain where people are talking about prototypes, people are talking about over-the-air updates, people are talking about full self-driving and autopilot, and all of that information becomes content because people take it in, people produce videos about it, and then people upload them. Not to mention that anytime Elon Musk tweets anything remotely about Tesla, it becomes news stories. People hear the news or see a headline of Elon Musk saying something crazy about a car, and then they go look it up. Maybe they go look up videos about it. And this, once again, pushes the algorithm. Tesla also has an extremely high demand of rumor content. People are so passionate about the brand, and there are very, very few leaks about Tesla products. One of the reasons for that is Tesla owns the end-to-end production, manufacturing. There are very, very few parts that they contract out for, and so it's a very controlled supply chain. How many recent high-profile companies like Tesla, Apple, Samsung have been able to keep leaks away from the public? That really doesn't happen. We essentially know what the next iPhone is going to look like a year in advance. We know what all the folding phones are going to look like. We know so much of this stuff, but nobody knew what the Cybertruck, the Model Y, the Roadster were going to look like before Tesla showed us. So Tesla can really control when news about their products gets released, and they can do it in a way where it's pretty constant. I mean, people are always talking about Tesla. There's always going to be content to be made about Tesla, and so people will make it. I don't need to stretch this video any longer than it has to be, but I just thought that maybe I had some interesting insights into why there's just so much Tesla content out there coming from a variety of different sources, sometimes sources that you wouldn't always expect, like financial stuff. But here we are talking about Tesla. I'm super excited about their products, super excited about being an investor in Tesla. My name is Dylan Hong. Like and subscribe for some more videos, and thanks for watching.